What's up everybody? In today's video we're heading down to the one and only Urban Necessities. Urban Necessities is arguably one of the best sneaker stores in the world, and it offers a unique shopping experience like no other place. So sit back, relax, and let's get into it. Also, really quickly want to say we have 3 Urban Necessities videos up on the channel right now, and each can help you out in different ways. First video is from the grand opening. This is kind of like your own tour guide. I go through the store and discuss everything that's in there. Second is this video of when I was shopping for the Atmosphere ones. If you're looking for good visuals and just shoes really, check out this video. And if you're looking for what's up to date at Urban Necessities, then this is the video for you. What's up everybody? As always, hope you guys have a beautiful, blessed, and lovely day. If you're new here, I'm Jordan, a sneaker collector local to the Las Vegas area. I'm assuming if you're watching this, you're a sneakerhead. I'm a sneakerhead too, and this whole channel revolves around sneakers. We're only like 300 subs away from the big 2,000 subs. We always have new sneaker content coming out on the channel. Also, if you're looking for sneaker news, check out the YT shorts because we have daily sneaker news going up on there. We're going to be visiting Urban and a bunch of other Las Vegas sneaker stores a variety of times this year, so make sure to stay tuned. See you at the end of the video. Hope you enjoy. Custom.
That's wild.
Yeah, they didn't have this before. Oh, the Chucky is sick. These are the ones. These are the ones, yo, those are so nice. guys, so that was Urban Necessities. The big thing that was new this time was Surgeon Studios upstairs. They had some crazy unique sneakers. It's so cool knowing that in Las Vegas you can go out and get your custom Shoe Surgeon sneakers right there. Have you guys ever been to Urban Necessities? What sneaker store should we visit next? Let me know in the comments below. As always, hope you guys have a beautiful, blessed, and lovely day. Until next time, guys. The view from up there is amazing.